Before starting this video, make sure you've already completed the previous tutorials, the VS Code installation guide for Windows and the Mini Conda installation guide for Windows. Also, flash the new firmware into your ALPACA's Raspberry Pi module. Before starting this video, you'll need to copy the commands provided in this video's description or from the course manual. In addition, download the file called requirements.txt. This file is necessary to install the ALPACA kernel. To begin the installation process, right-click the Start menu button and open the terminal. Make sure your terminal is running within Mini Conda. If it is, you'll see the word base in brackets at the beginning of the first line. If you followed the Mini Conda tutorial correctly, this should already be working for you. Copy the following command into the terminal window: conda config add channels conda-forge add channels nb_tu delft. Press enter to execute the command. This will add additional package distribution channels, conda-forge and the nbtu delft channel, which contains the ALPACA kernel. Next, we'll create a new environment. Copy the following command into the terminal: conda create an nb2214 file. This command requires the requirements.txt file, so drag and drop the file into the terminal. The file path will appear automatically, just make sure it is enclosed in quotation marks. Press enter to execute. Accept terms of service for additional distribution channels by typing A and confirming with enter. If you encounter any additional prompts or warnings, which may appear due to previous installations, simply type Y and press enter to confirm. It may take some time as Conda resolves the environment and all its dependencies. Don't worry, it's working in the background. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see a list of packages to be installed. Press Y and hit enter again to continue. When the environment is created, you'll receive a command to activate it. You can run it directly by typing conda activate nb2214. After pressing enter, you should now see nb2214 in brackets instead of base. This indicates that the environment has been activated successfully. The next step is to register the kernels in Python. Do this by running the following commands one after the other: python m alpaca_kernel install, python m ipykernel install. You should see confirmation messages about the kernels being installed. If you encounter errors, reach out to a teaching assistant for help. With your environment ready, open Visual Studio Code to connect everything with Jupyter Notebooks. Inside VS Code, open the Extensions tab on the left, then install the Python extension from Microsoft and the Jupyter extension, also from Microsoft. Both are extension packs, so they'll install several related tools automatically. That's expected. Once they're installed, open an example notebook file to test the setup. When the notebook opens, the first step is to select the correct kernel. In the top right corner, click the Select Kernel button. Under Python Environments, choose the new environment you just created. Its name should be nb2214. It will start up and load kernels. Then, go back to the same button. In reopened menu, switch to the Jupyter Kernel tab, and select the ALPACA kernel. You'll see Python 3, 10, 18 or a similar version number in brackets, since ALPACA runs on Python 3, 10 for compatibility reasons. Now let's test the connection with the ALPACA device. Inside the notebook, run the special magic command that begins with a %. If you get a message that your device isn't plugged in, reconnect it and try again. If that still doesn't work, reflash the Raspberry Pi image and retry. You can follow flashing ALPACA manual to do it. Once the device is properly connected, running the serial connect command should display the message ready, confirming that the connection is established. Finally, to verify that everything is functional, run the test cell in the notebook. You should see a live plot appear on your screen. The waveform might look different from what's shown in this video, but that's expected, it's only an example. At this point, your setup is complete, and you can start using ALPACA freely with VS Code and Jupyter Notebooks.